In this video, we'll demonstrate essential service and repair steps on the Juvo B5 and B6 mid-wheel drive wheelchairs. You'll see how to access internal components, remove the drive wheel and motor unit, and reinstall key parts. After switching off the control device and deactivating the main fuse, move the seat into service position 1. Then, remove the battery cover. Next, remove the power module cover. Loosen the lower screws, unclip the upper section, and lift the cover off toward the back. The next step shows the removal of the drive wheel. Remove the 5 bolts and lift the wheel off. After the wheel has been removed, loosen all bolts securing the motor and front swing arm assembly to the chassis. Release the motor cable clamps and connector, then remove the complete unit. Using the caster wheel swing arm as an example, we demonstrate how to remove the caster wheel and fork. If the fork is seized, carefully drive it out using an appropriate tool. Avoid damaging the threaded hole in the fork. Bearings that are stuck must also be driven out when replaced. Loosen the bolts on the axle and at the spring element mount. Then remove the swing arm from the chassis. Depending on tolerance, spacer washers may be fitted on the swing arm axle. They prevent axial play or sideways movement of the swing arm. Carry out the reassembly of the swing arm in reverse order. Always observe the specified torque values and locking measures for all bolts. When reinstalling the caster fork, ensure the correct arrangement of friction discs and washers, as described in the service manual. The same applies when fitting the caster wheel. To prevent wheel flutter, the fork should turn no more than 1 full rotation after a firm hand impulse. Adjust the resistance with the bolt on the caster fork axle. The following steps show how to remove the motor from the swing arm. Start by removing the splash guard, then unscrew the motor mounting bolts. Next, remove the spring mount to gain clear access to the motor. Detach the cable from its bracket. Then lift the motor upward. Reassembly is performed in reverse order. Make sure that all cables are routed according to the service documentation. The motor and front swing arm assembly can now be reinstalled on the chassis. Observe the specified tightening torques and locking measures for all screw connections. The controller can be replaced by removing the 2 retaining screws and folding the controller downwards. This exposes all cable connections, which can then be unplugged. The controller is mounted on a retaining plate. By loosening its upper screws, the plate can also be removed to access connectors behind it. During reassembly, first mount the controller on the plate. Then attach both to the chassis together. This method is easier than reassembling each component separately. Once all controller work is complete, reinstall the cover. During reassembly, follow all manufacturer-specified safety measures. Apply the prescribed torque values and reapply thread lock to all screw connections that were originally secured with it. Depending on the manufacturer's specifications, wear parts must be replaced, and certain components, such as nuts, must not be reused. Damaged parts must be inspected and either repaired or replaced. After service or repair, the product must again meet all safety and performance standards for its intended use. Information on the required tools, torque values, and detailed work steps can be found in the product-specific documentation, including the service manual and the instructions for qualified personnel.